We're still talking about the exposure to climate-related risks. We learned earlier on that the Climate Risk Index shows the ranking of countries according to the extent to which they are impacted by climate change. But even within the same country, some people, some areas may be impacted more than others. According to the index that we have seen, developing countries are hit harder than developed countries. The the vulnerability analysis suggests that inequalities in access to resources actually affect the extent of exposure. In other words, countries that have or create more access to resources tend to minimize the exposures to these risks than countries which don't have the necessary resources to mitigate or to prevent the effects of climate related change. And therefore, people who happen to be in developing countries, poorer countries which lack the asset or access to these resources tend to be impacted heavier than those in countries that have these assets. Natural resources and natural disasters, climate-related risks, for example, also have been observed to impact women more than men due to inequalities in access to resources and power. And we will look at the actual impact of climate risk on gender equality